In this video, we'll build this ESP32 weather station using a TFT SPI display and weather sensors. We'll use PlatformIO, VS Code, and Agentic Coding to generate the entire project automatically. Components used in this project: ESP32, 1.77-inch ST7735 TFT SPI Display, AHT20 plus BMP280 sensor module, jumper wires, USB cable. The sensor gives temperature, humidity, and air pressure, and we'll display everything on the TFT screen. Now connect the display and sensor to ESP32. TFT VCC will be connected to ESP32 3.3 volt, GND to GND pin, SCL to GPIO 18, SDA to GPIO 23, RST to GPIO 4, DC to GPIO 2, CS to GPIO 5, backlight to GPIO 25. For AHT20 plus BMP280 connections, connect VIN to 3.3 volt, GND to GND, SDA to GPIO 21, SCL to GPIO 22. The display uses SPI communication. The weather sensor uses I2C communication. ESP32 can handle both at the same time. Create a new empty folder for the project. Now open Terminal inside that folder and type code. This opens the folder in VS Code. Now install PlatformIO, your AI coding extension, like Codex. Now we'll let the AI agent create the entire project. Create a PlatformIO ESP32 weather station project using Arduino framework. Hardware: ESP32 Dev Board, ST7735 1.77-inch TFT SPI Display 128 by 160, AHT20 plus BMP280 sensor module. Then we will define the display pins. After that, we will define the sensor pins. And in the end, we will write the requirements.
E.ESPI. Show temperature, show humidity, show pressure. Create modern UI. Add animated values. Black background with colorful widgets. Create PlatformIO.pio and main.cpp. Now watch how the agent creates. PlatformIO.pio. Display configuration. Sensor code. UI code. Animations. Without manually writing everything. The AI agent created the full PlatformIO configuration automatically. The AI agent also generated the full weather station code. The generated code reads sensor values and updates the display continuously. Now connect ESP32 using USB. In the VS Code terminal, write command PIO run-t upload and press enter. This command will compile the ESP32 and start upload the firmware automatically. Watch the terminal when it says connecting. Keep pressing the boot button on ESP32. Wait for the firmware upload. Now the display shows temperature, humidity, pressure in real time. The UI is fully customizable. You can ask the AI agent to add weather icons, add graphs, change colors, create animations, add Wi-Fi weather data, create clock widgets. ESP32 projects become much faster using PlatformIO and agent coding. Thank you for watching the full video. Subscribe for more ESP32 projects.